Hey guys, Big W556 here, and today have a nice AR that you can pick up for a great price. It's from Palmetto State Armory, and it is their Freedom M4 carbine. So let's take a look. This is everything that you get in the box. Now I will say a couple things. I did change out the furniture to black. It did originally come with OD green, but I got it for a great price, and the furniture swap was stuff I had laying around. So that was the only modification I made to it, other than adding the rear Magpul flip-up sight and swapping out the bolt or the charging handle, excuse me, for the BCM gunfighter. But for the most part, this is performance, what you're gonna get out of the package with this rifle. So, for those of you that don't know, Palmetto State Armory is a manufacturer in the United States, and they make some really great firearms. They always have deals running on their website, and they sell AK build kits. They sell AR parts. You can pretty much build anything with Palmetto State Armory that you want to, and that's definitely a really nice thing to have, I think. This is one of their pre-made rifles, and they are quality for the price you pay for them. This was right around $6 something. You can't beat the quality. They're definitely a lot better than some of the lower end ARs, and from my experience, they'll perform with the best of them too. So we're gonna go up, take a couple shots with this, do some shots from the table, and we're gonna see how it does. Guys, back from the range, and definitely a great shooting rifle, just like all other Palmettos. It held up. We put a lot of rounds through it, on and off camera. The handguard is a little hot. I have to replace this with a Magpul one, which I'm going to do soon. I'm just chalking that up to the cheap handguard I had laying around that I threw on there. But other than that, the rifle performed flawlessly, no issues. So a couple things I want to go over on the rifle itself with it. It is a 16-inch barrel. It has the A2 gas block front sight. The barrel itself has a nitrate finish on it, and it is not chrome lined. It does have 1-in-7 twist as well. It also is the M4 profile barrel. You can kind of see here how it comes in, and it's contoured, then comes to a stop, and it's a larger at the end. That is what they call the M4 style barrel. It does have the A2 flash hider on it as well. And the chamber on this is chrome lined, although the barrel is not. And it does have the M4 style feed ramps. So overall, like I said, it's a great AR. If you just want a beginner rifle, you're new to ARs, or even for just somebody who wants something that they can take to the range and have a lot of fun with. You won't be disappointed with the Palmetto State Armory Freedom Rifle. So that's about it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I am Big W556. Have a good one.